everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to I usually do a simple stamping video, but I'm going to call this one Simple Stamping and Beyond because I know some of you beginners are going to think that you can't create this card. It is very easy to stamp and I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's go ahead and get started. So the stamp set that I'm using today is this Floral Essence, and this is now available. I am posting this on June 4th, so you can now get this. The new Stampin' Up! Catalog is live, and so you can start ordering all the new goodies that Stampin' Up! Is coming out with. So this is the stamp set. We are using this flower here. We're using this one. We're using the leaves, and we are using the larger center. I'm also using from the Painted Harvest, which you do not even have to add this, but I'm adding these little dots. So if you have any of these little dots from anywhere, I just thought it brought the card together a little bit more. If you don't have them, you absolutely do not need them, but this is an awesome stamp set also to have. It is one of my favorite, all-time favorite, and I've used it a ton. All right, so let's get started here. Okay, so you're going to need a card base, and this is Daffodil Delight. It is 5.5 by 4 1/4 card base. This is our standard card base, and I've talked about that in other videos that I've done for my beginners. And then I am using this Designer Series paper, which is the Designer Series paper Mosaic Mood Specialty Designer Series paper. This is also available now starting June 4th. And I have to show you this because it has this mosaic look on it. I don't even know if the video will pick it up, but it is absolutely gorgeous. I'm using the opposite side today, but I don't know if you can catch it in that video, but see how it's shiny? It's so pretty. And the patterns in this, look at how gorgeous these patterns are. Both sides are absolutely beautiful. This rose, look at the leaves. This paper is, and you have to see this in person. It is just beautiful. So that is what I'm using for this one. And then you are going to need a piece of, and this piece is 4 by, I should have wrote this down, 4 by 5 1/4 for this one. And then this is 3 3/4 by 5. All right, and I'll write all these down in the video. You'll see it posted in the video, and also for my beginner ones, I usually post the measurements again on my blog. All right, so now let's go ahead and get started stamping with this. So what the colors that I'm using today are going to be Poppy Parade, Melon Mambo, Garden Green, and Daffodil Delight. So we're going to start with our Poppy Parade, and we are going to stamp, and you could do this whichever way you like. We're going to stamp the larger flower, and this one is going to be stamped in the corner, and you could pick whatever corner you want to stamp it in, and we are going to stamp a little bit off, and then we're going to go ahead and turn it and stamp the opposite corner. You're going to do the exact same thing on both sides. So we're done with the Poppy Parade, and then we're going to go to the Melon Mambo. And now here is a little bit of a trick that I do. Now I don't want it the straight Melon Mambo, so I'm going to stamp off, and then we are going to stamp this one. And then I just wanted it lighter. You can do it how you like it, but I like it stamped off. And I like these colors together. They're really pretty. And so you're going to do the same on the other side, stamping off each time. And then we're done with the Melon Mambo. We are going to grab our leaves, and we're going to use Garden Green for this. And again, I'm going to stamp off because I like the lighter color. So again, I'm going to stamp off, and we are going to, and when I'm inking this up, I'm not inking it all the way down. You see I'm keeping that little stem off So that's a little tip. I'm keeping it off because I don't want the full stem. And then we're going to stamp that. And again, I'm going to do the same thing, stamp off. And we're going to turn it and do the exact same thing for the other flowers. So you're just using one stamp set and you're learning to stamp off. All right, so now the last thing we have to do is the sentiment and the little centers to the flower. So we're going to use Daffodil Delight for that. And we're going to stamp the centers of the flowers. And it brings these flowers alive. It's really pretty. And now, after you're done with this, you can leave it, definitely leave it like that, but I'm going to go ahead and add those little dots. And I'm just putting a few to kind of bring everything together. Yeah, I think I'll do one more, and that's going to be it. Now we're ready for our sentiment. You can do it either way. You can stamp your sentiment first, or you can do it last. I like doing it last because then I can see that I have it straight and in the middle. So we're going to do this one, All Days Are Beautiful. This is also in the same stamp set, Floral Essence. And I'm lining up the beautiful because the beautiful is the one that you want to be straight. And then we're going to stamp that down. And there's our sentiment, and we are totally complete stamping. Now, isn't that simple? Very easy, and yet you get really nice results. So what we're going to do is we are going to start putting this all together. I'm going to use some snail. And we're going to adhere this to our card. And then we're going to adhere this. You can use dimensionals if you want to pop it up. That's a way to kind of dress it up a little bit. I don't think this card really needs any stepping up because it's really nice as it is with all the flowers. And so there you have it, your simple and beyond card. So that is it. Here is the other one that I did. So that is it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. If you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com and shop for my blog. I hope you all have a blessed day. Don't forget the new catalog is live now, and you can get all the new Stampin' Up! Goodies. See you later, everyone. Bye.